Hey guys, so basically I wanted to do this quick tutorial to show you that it was safe to transition from your ASG profile, like the one right here, your ASG profile in the Mac, to a local profile. Our goal is to remove you guys from the domain so you don't have to be dealing with your password cannot be changed using your Mac or things like that. We decided that from now on every single person that gets Macs, they're not going to be on the asg.com domain. We're just gonna create local profiles like the one that I created previously here. We're gonna log in as the local profile, and basically everyone was concerned about the moving the file. So let me press Command F. The Mac doesn't exactly tell you, hey, this is how you can cut and this is how you can paste, but there are like little tricks that we can do to achieve the cut option. Let me just go to users. As you can see right now, I'm in the local profile. This was my ASG profile that I used to have in this Mac. You just open it. As you can see, most of those folders are gonna look like this with a error that says you don't have access to this, but we can fix it. Basically, while you're logged in the ASG profile, you just have to like double finger click it, then get info, then we're gonna go sharing and permissions and unlock this. In here you would see like the complete name. If it was the domain profile, it would say Jorge Avalos, and I would put my administrator profile. If that doesn't work, you can use the macOS admin and put the Isle of Paris thing. So let me just unlock this, and right here it says everyone, no access, so we need to change that to read and write. Remember, we're doing all of this from your ASG profile that you already have. As a demonstration, I'm just doing it from the local I created, but you're gonna do it is one step before logging into this local profile. So everyone read and write, and then you can click right here that says apply to enclosed items. That's gonna take care of every single folder and file that is inside. For example, this one that was movies. If I open it, well, there's nothing, but everything should take your ownership. So now, previously I did this step of unlocking and putting the access for everyone to my documents. So in this folder I have a bunch of programs, and inside those folders, well, more things inside. So this actually worked. Then what you have to do is just right click it. You're gonna say copy, and in this example, this was in my documents, but I can drop them in my desktop or something. Let's just try to do it in the original folder. So that was my ASG profile. This is my ASG local profile. That's where we need to be. So open that and go to documents. This is the place where originally I used to have my programs folder. So let me just right click it. But the trick in here is you have to hold the option key. Let me just do it again. When you do that, the option of move item here gets enabled. So let me just click move item here. And there you go. Everything got transferred. All my folders, all the things we needed to. We were having this discussion about, hey, but I almost have 1 terabyte of data used in my Mac. So what are we gonna do? How can we transfer the data if it's already 1 terabyte? There's nowhere for me to put it. So this is the solution. It's a safe thing to do. There's no need to worry about anything. This was my previous, right here, this was my previous ASG profile where I had all my files. So let me go back to documents, and as you can see, the programs folder now is transferred to my local profile that we created, and it's right here, and everything like the same size, same folders, same permissions, so we're good. Now, as a last test to give you more confidence about this, let me just log out of this local profile. in the future you would be logging in just in the local one. I've been doing a bunch of testing, sorry, that's why you have so many users here. But let me go back to my AG profile right here. Let me just pause it to put my password. Okay, so let's wait for the login. Okay, so this is what it was. This was my previous AG profile. It's the same situation you guys have. I wanted to simulate everything before letting you guys know. But in users, there you go, Jorge AV, that's my username. This is the older local one that I moved the files to. There are the programs. Let me go back. So right now I'm logging in the AG profile, and my documents, well, it's empty because I moved that file. But once everything is ready, we can get rid of this. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. So basically in this AG profile, there's nothing I don't need anything anymore. So let me log out. Let me log in back to either this one or macOS admin, doesn't matter. So this one has an easier password. Let me just log in. Okay, once we're in, I think I'm running out of time. Let me try to make it quicker. We go to System Preferences, Users and Groups. Unlock it. You're gonna put your whatever you set as your password in your local profile. Unlock. We don't need this AG profile anymore. It's just causing problems and issues. So -. We're gonna have to completely delete the home folder, which is like Macintosh HD, well, hard drive, users, Jorge AV. That was my user before. So delete user. Now it's gone. If you check Command F, let me go to Go, Computer, Macintosh HD, Users. Now only the local profile is here, the other one is gone. We're using Steve Walling's X computer to do this testing. Let me go back. So that profile is gone, and what is left to do is go here, go to where is it? I forgot already. Oh yeah, right here we need to go to the same place, user and groups, login options. This computer is part of ahg.com domain. It shows in green, but it's not true because you cannot change a password from here. You cannot connect to anything. So this is why we're doing this. You can edit. You click the ahg.com domain thing, -. That's going to remove it. It's going to say, hey, who is doing this? Let me just put my username and password. I think for this I'm going to be the one helping you because you don't have this credentials. IDM Jorge, and let me put my password. Okay, so I enter my password and everything. Now it's removed from the ahg.com domain. It's just a regular Mac as any other commercial one. After we did that, that's basically it. Now you should be able to just use your Mac as usual. It's going to have the same programs and everything. And yeah, there's nothing else to do because we already covered all the steps. In my documents, now I have the only folder that I transferred to this new profile was this test one, which had all my programs that I use all the time. But yeah, that would be everything for all of you guys. I feel like with this video you're gonna get more confident about doing this transition. Please let me know if you have any doubts, and I hope I can help all of you guys shortly. Thank you.